Hello and welcome to our channel Falak Sumro. I'm Aftab Sumro. As you know, our web design series is continued, in which we have created these HTML related videos using W3schools.com website. In today's lesson, we will start the HTML quotations and citation elements. In this chapter, we will go through and will cover these tags: block quote, Q means quotation, abbreviation, address, site, and BDO HTML elements. Now, first of all, we will continue from the block quote. You can see this is the block quote, this section showing the block quote. Here is a quote from WWF's website. This quote has been derived from WWF website. The HTML block quote element defines a section or piece of information that is quoted from another source or another websites. Browsers usually indent block quote elements. This is indentation which has been moved ahead. It shows clearly that this is a separate section of information which has been taken from another source. So let's start by making this type of section or block quote element. We will use the try it editor of the W3schools.com. Now I am showing you how to make this type of code. First of all, I will copy all this code to save the time and paste it in this section. Suppose I run this program, it is not showing the result like this. I will make it visible to show just like this quotation. Now, first of all, I will give it some text to separate this section of sentence. First of all, I will give it the paragraph tag, which will convert it in the just like separate section. Now I will give the block quote element. This is the opening tag, and now I will close it. This is the closing tag. Now let me to show this is the section we have made it. Now we will give the reference of site. This is site attribute, which will show that this information has been taken from this website. Equal. Now I will give this reference in it. Now we will run it. We are unable to see this website's address. If anyone will want to see the information about the website related to this quotation, they will have to check the page source, that where from it has been taken this information, by right clicking it. This is just an editor of the code which may not show the website address. For that purpose, we have to save this file to in another separate file. After that, we will be able to see this address by viewing the page source. After that, we will move ahead to the second section of our quotations, which is Q. If we want to give some quotation marks to show any special sentence. Now I'm showing you what is that. I'm deleting this. Suppose I'm writing here the name of my school is English Grammar School. Now I will give it here the Q quotation from the start and end section. Now I will run it. Now you can see here the result. The double quotes have been given before and after this sentence, English Grammar School. So this is called the quotation or Q tag. After that we will move to the abbreviation ABBR for abbreviations. The HTML abbr tag defines an abbreviation or an acronym like HTML, CSS, Mr., Dr., ASAP, as soon as possible, HTML. Marking the abbreviations can give useful information to browsers, translation systems, and search engines. Let me to show you how to abbreviate it. Now we have copied the tag I'm showing you. In the result we only will see the WHO and was found in 1948. I'm showing you here, but you can see here under the WHO you are viewing the dots line under this WHO. If you move the mouse and stay for some seconds, you will have tooltip of this WHO. You can see World Health Organization, that this word which has been written in the ABBR title tag, abbreviation tag, and this is the attribute of this abbreviation tag, in which we have written the World Health Organization. It has been shown by hovering the mouse on the WHO. You can see here. So this is the ABBR tag and its attribute title. Now let's move ahead. After that, HTML address tag for contact information. HTML address tag defines the contact information for the author, owner of a document. The contact information can be an email address, URL, physical address, phone number, social media handle, etc. It can be any information. The text, the address element usually renders in italic, and browsers will always add a line break before and after the address element. Now let me to show you the work of this address element. Now we will run it. Now you can see this is the result of address. You can see here that we have not given any italic tag or element, but it has given the result in italic. This is the address tag. Okay, now we'll move ahead to the site element for work title. The HTML site tag defines the title of a creative work. Any creative work, e.g. book, a poem, a song, a movie, a painting, a sculpture, etc. A person's name is not the title of a work. The text in the site element usually renders in also italic position. Now we can see the example here. Now we have given this paragraph tag. The result of this paragraph tag is this. Another paragraph tag, browsers usually display the site element in italic. Now this is the result of the site tag. Before it we have brought the image and its size, width 220 and height 277. This is the image. Okay, now under the image, this is the paragraph tag, and in the paragraph tag, this is the site element, the scrim site by Edward Munch. Now you can see this is the scrim which has been given on the italic by Edward and is the same as usual text, but the scrim tag is showing the name or any hint for this picture. Okay, this is the site tag. After that, video for bidirectional override. Video stands for bidirectional override. The HTML video tag is used to override the current text direction. It will override. Now let me to show you the video directional result. Now we will paste here the copied code. Now I'll run it. This sentence have been overridden. Now you can see the text has been written in the reverse order, or it is mirrored. You can see this has been mirrored like this, and text is like this, and will is this. You can see this is the bidirectional text which has been brought by the video tag. Okay, now these were some examples of HTML quotations which I tried to teach you as well, so you must practice on these tags in detail. You will be master of the HTML and web designing course. So we'll meet in the upcoming lesson by understanding these HTML commands, colors, CSS and other exercises. So see you again in the next lesson. Bye bye.